We have with us Mr. Ajay Sedana from Satelec India Private Limited. Hello, sir.
Hello, Shala.
How are you, sir?
I'm good. Everything is fine.
Okay. So, sir, can you tell us something more about your company, a briefing about your company?
Sure. Satelec India is a 100% subsidiary of a company called Action Group. It's based at France, and we started our operations in India since 1994. And we have been as a subsidiary operational from 1999, and we are into dental and medical equipments. So this, as being a dental exhibition, we have displayed all our high technology dental equipments, which includes the micromotors, the scalers, the digital sensors, digital x-rays. All those products are exhibited here. And we have on the parallel an exhibition for surgeons going on in Calcutta for the medical equipments for endoscopy. Action as a group has around 8 companies under the corporate identity. And in India, we represent all the 8 companies as a group. And we are being a group as Action India. But we are as commercially known in India as Satelec India Private Limited, exactly.
Okay, so you're directly here?
Yes, we are directly. It's a 100% subsidiary.
That's such a great thing. So, sir, we saw that you've launched some new products.
Yes, we do.
So, can you tell us more about the products?
We have launched a digital sensor, which is a new one on your back. Then there is a special new product which is used for dental caries detection, which is one of new technologies. It's a 3rd generation technology which has been patented worldwide, and India is the first country to launch this product. Even the digital sensor is the worldwide first launch for India, and that's why we have our CEO in India for the launch. We have another product which you can see here is Me2 for bleaching, for tooth whitening, and this is a 3rd launch which we're making in India today for Action Group.
So, can you tell us more about the patented technology? We are very much interested in it, and I'm sure the students must be interested for that.
Definitely, we have quite a number of patents with the Action Group. It's not only with one product, but we have many products where we have a patented technologies, like the Neutron series for ultrasonics. We do have patents for SoproCare for fluorosis, and we are working on more patents on Me2 products, the materials and equipments. We have our product manager for Me2, Floor, who has come specially for the product launch. I think she'll be able to explain you a better.
Definitely. Now we have the product manager for the group. May I know your name, ma'am?
Flore Vicaire.
Okay, Florvicare. Nice to meet you, ma'am.
Nice to meet you too. I'm very happy to be in India.
Definitely, ma'am. Can you tell us more about the group, about the company?
Action is a French company. It's been established for more than 50 years now. And we are in all dental worlds except dental units. We do everything except dental units.
So, you being a product manager, you have a lot of responsibilities. So, can you tell us about the products, the unique products which make you different?
I'm in charge of the whitening line. So this is a brand new line named Me2. What makes it unique for us is it's the most complete line available. So you have everything for the dentist to practice and to perform very good whitening procedures. Plus we provide also very innovative marketing material to help the dentist to promote the whitening among their patients.
So, are there any side effects of whitening? Like some people have this myth, you can say, that it makes the teeth become become weak. So, can you comment on that?
This is very interesting because this is something that we believe, but that is not true in reality. Because when the teeth whitening started more than a century ago, the technique was very aggressive. We used to do a deep etching, and we use high concentrated product that has a very low pH. This is not the case anymore. So we use only neutral products. No
That's very
etching.
good. It's neutral. Okay.
Yes, it's neutral, so there's no demineralization. The teeth whitening material will go through enamel to go in the dentine, and we'll just slightly modify the shape of the chromophores in the dentine, but it will not create demineralization. But this is a fear that we have because it used to be like that.
Yeah, so you have to change this myth in India. Definitely, each and every person feels this.
Plus, there may occur some sensitivity in patient. but which is not related to any damage. It's just because the pressure of the material in the teeth makes, the nerves react. But then the material is removed and the sensitivity disappears. There's not any long-term side effect after the whitening.
Okay, so does the pressure also cause any loosening of the gums or the tooth?
Actually, we have a very innovative material. It's a new light curing dam named Neodam that changes color when it's cured. So it's very easy to position. It will protect the gums, and the dentist know exactly when it's done, when it's hardened, because it's changed colors. So this is unique.
So any future launches or any future innovations in the market or for India you are planning?
Actually, we arrived. The innovation is right here because we have a totally new line with more than 10 products and 3 lamps. And now we are focusing to improve everything, to make even better. There will be new product for sure because it's the beginning of a long story.
Definitely, we wish you all the best for your journey in India and hope that you do well. And we, like everybody, gets out of this myth that we have of the tooth decay and all these things.
We
Okay?
have our CEO and president
Oh.
for Action Group.
So that's
who has
so
come
good.
Specifically for the product launch.
So we are so lucky, sir, to have you.
Yes, please. All yours.
Definitely, we are so lucky to have you here. Welcome, sir. Welcome to India.
Thank you
so,
very much.
first of all, we know that you are here in India. So, can I ask about the question? How do you feel in India? First of all.
I feel so well in India. I come every time possible.
Oh, that's so great. So, are you comfortable with the weather and everything, the warmth, everything, and the people?
I've been coming here for the last 30 years, at least twice a year. I love India, but I don't like the weather in December.
Oh, that's
Much too cold.
definitely, even we feel so. So, now coming to the company, sir. So, may I ask you that how many years has this company been there?
We've been in India. We were probably the first company established in India. That was in 1993, and dental market was so small at that time. So we made a bet that India market would grow, and finally it grew. It's now becoming a huge market and very promising for the
So,
future.
you believed in us. You believed in our market. Thank you, sir.
I have always believed in India. This is why we established so early in India.
May I know, sir, that how many countries you're operating except for India?
We are operating by our own with subsidiaries in more than 17 countries in the world. Among them, of course, all European countries because we are a French company. United States, Japan, Korea, China, Southeast Asia in Bangkok and Australia.
That's so good to hear, sir. So, a little briefing about your future plans in India. We got to know all about the product details from the product manager. We have a question about your future plans in India from you.
Future plans is introducing to India the best technological product with the best quality, and this is what India deserves today.
Thank you so much, sir. It was nice
I
meeting
thank you very much. I thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. So, can I get the visiting card, sir?
I don't. Yes, I do.
Yes.